Now creating the healthy environment. Okay, वहां पे हमने फोकस किया what you don't have to do. Now here what you should do, so that the children are not getting into the competitive uh, sibling rivalry where there's a lot of jealousy and insecurity and a lot of competition happening, because if that happens, then entire house is getting affected. First is the open communication. As a parent, aapko you have to make sure that your child is feeling secure with you to open up to with you, that even if they have beaten up beaten up their sibling or anyone in the house, they should not feel scared to tell you this. I'm not saying that is a correct behavior, that is a wrong behavior. They cannot hit anyone, they cannot behave badly with anyone, but even if they have done, they should have that courage to come up to a parent and be open. So that can be done only when our parents are having open communication. I would recommend all the parents, before sleeping, before you say goodbye good night to a child, sit with the child for 10 minutes every day. Just for 10 minutes, sit with the child without any other distraction like phone, TV, games, nothing, just you and a child. And ask child, how was your day, what did you do, and share about your day also, that today I had a hectic day, I did this, I did that. When you share with a child, the child also feels courageous, that even I can share my concerns with my mother or my father, both. Even father or mother can tell them how they had a difficult day. Today I had a meeting, it was such a difficult, my boss was very very hard on me, but I somehow got the courage and I took the presentation. So you're talking like that, the child feels okay, parents can also feel this way, so I can also feel this way. एक open communication होगा, it's like a two friends are talking. Okay, and also if a gap between the two siblings is little bit more, you can ask the elder one to guide the younger one and younger one to speak to elder one, so they can also have this open communication like a parent and a child is having. And every day, like before sleeping, 5-10 minutes, just sit as a family and talk about each other's life. That can lead to open communication. Second, teach them to resolve conflicts. ओके जब पता है कि इफ द योर चाइल्ड इज नॉट रॉन्ग, प्ले ग्राउंड पे जाके वो फाइट करके आता है, घर पे वो चीजें फेंकता है, फाइट करता है, वी नो दिस हैपेंस बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज फीलिंग समथिंग बट डज नॉट नो हाउ टू रिजॉल्व इट. सो टीच देम, कि टेलिंग देम ओके आई अंडरस्टैंड यू गॉट अपसेट. डू नॉट scold your child for getting upset. It's okay. Upset, feeling angry is a normal emotion that you, me, everyone will feel, and even a child can feel that. But what you have to encourage a child to do is to express that emotion in a healthy way. So उनको सिखाना है कि whenever this happens, you can take a back seat. Do not get engaged into the fights. If something happens, you can come to me. You can go to any adult. Or telling them कि if something like this happen, focus on the solutions rather than getting into the fight of I want, I want. Sometimes teach them about negotiations and bargaining, that if you want to eat entire chocolate, you know what, you're living in a family where there are other kids also, so instead of eating an entire chocolate, you should always share. You see that bhaiya also shares. Even if he doesn't, you have to share because you understand that you don't want to get into the fights. Telling them the consequences कि आप ऐसा करोगे तो ये ऐसा ही होता है, इससे अच्छा आप ऐसा मत करो, आप ऐसा करो. That's how we are teaching a child to focus on the solutions, not to get into the fight by just getting into the stubborn behavior. So that's how we can do it. Also, you can model certain behaviors of resolving conflicts in the house and the child can witness it. So वो child देखेगा कि okay, mama papa is also behaving this way, so I can also do it. That's how the child will learn to resolve the conflicts.